Hey guys, welcome to our Tech Power of Mind. My name is Mohit Vashne, and in this video, I come with one of the biggest hiring update, which is coming from Deloitte company. So finally, Deloitte company has announced national level assessment, and whoever is eligible will get a chance for exam, and exam will be online. And I will explain you each and everything, like what is selection procedure, how to apply, what is the qualification required. So make sure you watch this video till the end and check out the other hiring also, because multiple companies hiring is still ongoing, like UKG hai, Wipro hai, L&T hai, EY hai. So do check out. Now talking about Deloitte NLA hiring update. So this hiring is officially posted by company LinkedIn page. As you see on the screen, they posted like discover your impact on BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA fresher in the world of cyber with Deloitte, one of the biggest professional service organization. Deloitte India offices Cyber Gurukul wide national level assessment is back, and it's bigger and better than ever before. So this time company has changed the level of national assessment. Earlier it was only NLA, but right now they changed to Cyber Gurukul by national level assessment. And the most important point, if you get selected from this hiring, then you will get a chance for training in cybersecurity field. Company has already mentioned, and I will show you selection procedure also. Company has mentioned first step will be applied to Cyber Gurukul, second step will be online assessment, and if you clear the online assessment, then you will get a chance for interview, and interview will be online. And after that, there will be a 6-month boot camp, and at the time of boot camp, company will teach you about cybersecurity field. So if you have an interest in cybersecurity field, or you want to make your career in cybersecurity field as a fresher, then you can apply for this hiring. And currently company hiring for analyst trainee position at Deloitte USA India. Now talking about the qualification, so company has mentioned if you have done BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, then you are eligible for this hiring, and your branch should be cybersecurity, CSIT, or any sectoral branch like EC, EE, EEE, electrical, electronics. Then only you are eligible for this hiring. Company has already mentioned. And for this job, there is a marks criteria also. Company has mentioned you must have at least 60% marks with no standing backlog, and your passing weight should be 25. Only one passing weight eligible for this hiring. And the most important point, if you apply to Deloitte within past 6 months, then you are not eligible for this hiring. Company has already mentioned. And next important point, if you get selected for this role, then your joining will be January 25. So you must be available for 6-month bootcamp in January. I hope you can manage your college and the bootcamp on same time. Talking about the salary package, so company has mentioned if you get selected for this role, then you will get 4 LPA salary plus variable benefit, whatever company offer you. And this position have 12-month provision period. So company have a right to terminate you. Now talking about how to apply. So to apply purpose, I will attach apply link in video description. You have to just click on apply link, and after that, this type of page will appear. And here you will find one apply option. Just click on the link, and after that you have to click on next button. You have to fill all the required detail like your first name, last name, middle name, email address, alternative phone number, current address, city, postal code, education gap, and all our basic detail you can fill. And if you face any difficulty while filling a form, then please ask your query in comment section or Telegram or Instagram. I will definitely help you. And one more important point, last date for this application is 30th of November. And one more important point, last date for this application is 30th of November. Company has already mentioned. So you have to apply before 30th of November. And that's all for today. I hope this video helped you. If you still have any concern or doubt, then please ask your query in comment section or Telegram or Instagram. I will definitely help you. Thank you and goodbye.